Hi dear students, welcome to business studies class. In last two videos I am going to I explained about the formal and informal organization. So in this video I am going to explain about the difference between formal and informal organization. So let's start. So I hope you got the clear thing about the formal organization and informal organization. Let's start with the difference. So what is the meaning of formal organization is structure of authority relationship created by the management. Already I told these types of organization, it is deliberately means purposefully created by the management or manager. So in informal organization, this is not created by the manager purposefully. These things are not created by the manager within the informal organization. So it created due to the network of social relationship arise out of interaction among the employees. If the interaction among the employees, if they have with the same interest, hobbies, otherwise they want to satisfy their psychological need, so these types of relations are going to arises between the employees and it is going to generate it. So I hope you got the clear thing. Next is origin. So what is the origin for the formal organization? So it arises as a result of company rules and policies. So formal organization purposefully made by the manager to carry out everything within the disciplined manner. So that's why it is arise with the company rules and policies. But informal organization, it is not created by the manager, it is developed our same interest, or it is developed between the employees due to the social relationship. So it arises as a result of social interaction. Next, authority. So authority arises by virtue of position in a management. So authority, according to the virtue of position of management, means what, top level management have high authority rather than the middle level of management. So middle level of management have the more authority comparatively lower level of management. So authority is it is by virtue of position in a management. But in informal organization arise out of the personal qualities. Authority arise out of personal qualities means what, we made one group within the informal organization means what, we 7 8 employees, so we are make one group. So within that group, related with the group, not with the organization. So within that group, who are ahead, we are going to deciding according to the qualities of group member, means related to take the any decision related with that particular group, we are making one leader. So it is due to the, it is depend upon the personal qualities of any employees, we can make anyone to group leader there. So next, behavior in formal organization, it is directed by the rules, regulations and disciplines. So behavior, it is a behavioral thing, it is must in formal organization. But in informal organization, there is no set of behavior pattern you can behave with your friends or colleagues anyway. So that is not any set of particular behavior pattern in informal organization. So next is flow of communication. So communication takes place through the scalar chain. Just I told. So communication, if you want to pass a message, it should follow the scalar chain. Lower level management to middle, middle to top, top to middle, middle to lower. That should be followed there. But in informal organization, it is not like that. Anybody can talk with anybody. Top level management can directly talk with the subordinates also, or lower level of management also. So there is not any particular flow of communication. So flow of communication, it is not through the planned route, it takes place in any direction within the informal organization. So nature, how it is the nature for the formal organization, it is rigid. Rigid means this kind of organization is fixed, they are fixed on rules and regulation, on discipline, means rigid, they are not going to change anything. So rigid, these types of organization are fixed on their rules, regulation and disciplines. But within the informal organization, they are not going, there is no matter of rules, regulation or policies. So it can be flexible according to our behavior pattern, according to our flexibility. So these things are flexible within the informal organization. So leadership, so manager are a leader obviously in formal organization, so everything should be within the discipline, means manager should be a leader there. but within the informal organization, leader may be the manager or may not be manager. So they are chosen by the group there. So due to the group interest, they are going to choose their own leader. So that leader may be the manager, or sometimes the manager may not be there. So I hope you got the clear difference between formal organization and informal organization. So if you have any doubt, please comment below. I hope you got the thing. So thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.